So now let's move to the fourth event, and if you see in the fourth event, the vehicle is at going at constant speed for next 2 seconds. If you see here, this is the fourth event, here to here, which is going at constant speed of 15 kmph. So let's go ahead and calculate the watt hour per kilometer for this case. So in this case, we are not going to use this region because now the vehicle velocity or speed is constant, and hence while setting this v infinity or v constant value at 15, we will able to get this torque value. So we will use our friend goal seek, and let's set this value to 15 while changing this torque. So we got 5.77, and this torque is responsible to put the vehicle at constant speed of 15 kmph, and then I got the watt hour per kilometer is 62.15. We will copy this and we will paste here. Now what is the distance? Since vehicle is going at a constant speed, we have a direct formula for it. So distance will be speed multiplied by time. So we are just going to calculate this manually. So we know the speed in meter per second and we know the time in second. We got the distance, and then we can calculate this energy or energy consumed in this event. So finally we are done with this event.